Looking for a throw blanket that combines style, softness, and durability? The Home Soft Things Multi-Throw Blanket delivers all that and more. Measuring 50 by 60 inches, it's the perfect size to drape over your couch or bed, adding a splash of vibrant color and cozy warmth whenever you need it. What sets this blanket apart is its 100% microfiber polyester fabric. From the moment you touch it, you'll notice the ultra-soft texture that only improves with every wash. Unlike other throws that lose their feel or fade over time, this one gets softer while maintaining its bright, eye-catching colors. Plus, it's designed to be easy care. Just machine wash cold and tumble dry on low to keep it looking and feeling fresh. I've tried several throws before, but this one truly stands out. It fits seamlessly into my beach-themed living room, complementing the decor without overpowering it. The soft square patterns add just the right amount of detail, making it both a practical and stylish accessory. Whether you're curling up for a quick nap or just want a light layer to stay warm on the couch, this blanket offers the perfect balance of comfort and convenience. If you want a throw that's lightweight yet warm, durable yet soft, and colorful yet classic, this is worth a look. It's not just a blanket, it's a versatile piece that enhances your home's atmosphere while keeping you cozy. If that's you, the Home Soft Things Multi-Throw Blanket might just be the upgrade your space needs. Ready to add softness and style to your home? Try the Home Soft Things Multi-Throw Blanket when you're ready. It's more than just a cover. It's a reliable companion for everyday comfort and a subtle boost to your home decor.